Given a is a prime number, simplify 4 root a minus a divided by 12 root a, giving your answer in the form of b minus c root a, where b and c are fractions, showing you're working clearly. Right, so if we write that out, so normally when you've got a square root sign in the denominator of a third, it means you have to rationalise the denominator when we have to simplify. So as we've got root a here, we'll need to multiply the denominator by root a and the numerator by root a. The reason being because root a times root a is equal to a. So doing the numerator, so 4 root a times root a gives 4 times a, because root a times root a gives me a. And then minus a times root a would just be minus a root a. 12, we're going to have a 12 there, but root a times root a is a, so in the denominator we're going to get 12a. Right, the next thing to do is to factorise, if possible, the numerator. So we see that there's a common factor of a there, so we'll take that out and we're left with 4 minus root a over 12a. Now, because we've taken it out, we can now cancel this a with this a. And then separating out the fractions, we're going to have 4 over 12 minus root a over 12. 4 goes into 12 3 times, and then into 4 1 time. So that will be 1/3. And now root a over 12 is the same as minus 1 over 12 root a. And that puts it into the correct format as required by the question, which is b minus c root a. So this has been a video to show you how to simplify a third by rationalising the denominator. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.